Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up Streamlabs for your YouTube in order to start streaming. So this video is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open youtube.com and simply go ahead into your channel. So go to view your channel. And once you've done that, click on manage videos. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this, click on go live right over here, and you're going to be on this page right over here, as you can see. So here your stream key is going to be right over here. You can simply go ahead and copy your stream key, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Streamlabs. Once you've done that, go to your gear icon on the bottom left hand, go to stream, and now streaming services is selected. Go to YouTube and simply go ahead and paste your stream key right over here. Once you've entered your stream key, you can simply click on done and now start streaming and you'll go live on YouTube. That is it for this video. If you thought this video was helpful, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.